we begin, I'm just going to ask you to sit somewhere nice and comfortable and relax.
Relax.
Relax the palms of your hands. I'll see you again next week.
Ah, that felt good. Good morning everyone, today is Tuesday and it is 8 o'clock in the morning. I'm at university, woohoo, woohoo, woohoo. And as you can tell, I arrived a little early, so I did a sneaky little meditation session in my car. Meditation is great. If you don't do meditation every morning, get on it. I'm a big fan. You can honestly do it anywhere, including your car. All I have on today is I've got uni for 4 hours. I don't have to stay at uni later today for a supervisor meeting because I have one later on in the week, which is great. So I get to go home straight away, which is amazing. I don't want to have to spend 12 hours at uni today. After uni, I'm gonna do my grocery shopping because I didn't have time to do that yesterday. I stayed at my nan's yesterday and I've just driven straight from hers. Yeah, I've got to do my grocery shopping today and like meal prep and stuff. Probably gonna go home and edit. The rest of the week, I don't really know what's happening. There's a lot of study, and then just like a little bit of study. Might also be catching up with a friend on Saturday. Yeah, I also have a few packages waiting for me at home. Can't wait to go home so I can open them up. It's currently raining, so that's always just like a fun time when you have to walk 10 minutes to class. Alright, I'm gonna go. I'll talk to you guys later. Goodbye. School's out, scream and shout. No more waking up at 6 a.m. Jokes tomorrow, I've got to wake up at 7 a.m. for work. Ooh yeah. High School Musical is my fave. And now we're gonna go do grocery shopping. Dropping my AP, links down below. I just finished class, as you can tell. I'm in the same spot as what my last clip was, but it's been like 5 hours. Currently having lunch. Literally I'm just eating a massive bread piece in the car. Like my life is sad. I had no time to pack lunch because I was at my nan's house and I couldn't find anything at the food court that sparked any interest. So I'm snacking on bread before I go to the supermarket. So I'm not hungry at the supermarket, and then we'll probably eat something, I don't know, later on today. Go! Yes, finally. Oh my goodness. I ordered this package almost 4 weeks ago now and it's only just arrived. Long story short, I ordered it like weeks ago when there was like a 50% off sale on Misguided. Just bought a few things to treat myself. It was supposed to come to me within 7 business days. Neck min. It gets shipped to Melbourne and then it has to go through customs. Didn't get cleared at customs. Then got shipped to Sydney to go through customs again. Then got shipped back here. Then went to a courier. A courier? And then they lost my package. And then Misguided had to contact them to find my package. And now I have my package. I'm not going to open it on camera because I'm probably going to film a haul. So just know that I have a package and I'm very excited about it. Yes! Sneaky preview! And that's all you're gonna see. Desperate times call for desperate measures. This is what happens when I tan and I don't want to get my tan on my bed sheets and I just end up sitting on my towel instead. Also put a pillow on my lap to make sure that my tan doesn't get anywhere. Oh, the struggle is real. Also just currently watching myself on Georgia Richards' thing because I'm obsessed with both myself and the Georgia Richards. So yeah, go and check me out. I love her so much. Oh my god, subscribe. She pretty. I'm just gonna spend the rest of the night editing. Oh yeah. I honestly need to create like a tanning snuggie that you can kind of wear. Like a massive towel thing that you can wear instead of having to sit on a towel on your bed. Snuggie for tanning. It's a great. Someone get on that. Someone get on that. So it's like 2:30 on a Thursday and I'm currently back in my car because I'm gonna go run errands. I've been studying all morning and now I'm just taking a bit of a break. I've had lunch. As I said, I need to go do some stuff. First things first, I have to go to the post office because I'm returning half of the clothes that I bought from Misguided. I was so excited to receive that package on Tuesday and I ended up only liking one thing out of the 5 things that I bought. And I was like, I can't justify keeping these things that I don't like when I could be getting like 50 bucks back. So I'm gonna return it, get 50 bucks back and then spend that money on clothes that I'll actually like. A bit anticlimactic, but it's fine. I really love the one thing that I love, so it makes it worth it. I also need to go clean my car because she's dirty. I cleaned my car literally 2 weeks ago and it's already a pigsty. Like, you can't tell. It's really gross. Because it's been raining in Melbourne, the dust just like sticks to my car and then it looks dirty as. I'm not about that non-aesthetic life. I have to go get it fixed. So that's what I'm gonna do. Then I'm gonna come back, smash out another 2 or 3 hours of study and then take the night off and relax. It is now 5:30. I've smashed out another hour and a half of homework. I have 1 more hour that I'm going to do and then I'm just gonna take the rest of the night off and chill and relax because once you do like 6 or 7, 8 hours of homework in a day, you need to reward yourself with having a night off. I love doing that. I've also come up with like a new system of studying that I thought I'd share with you guys, because I know that you guys enjoy study tips and hearing about all that kind of stuff. So the past like 2 weeks, I've really been struggling to motivate myself in terms of like studying, and I keep distracting myself. I'm one of those people that doesn't look like I'm a procrastinator, but usually I procrastinate by looking like I'm busy, if that makes sense. So instead of doing the thing that I actually have to do, such as finish my ethics application for my thesis, which is what I'm trying to do right now, I'll make it look like I'm being productive by cleaning my entire house, doing errands, doing absolutely everything else that I want to be doing, instead of doing the thing that I should be doing. So I've come up with a bit of a system that encourages me to just shut off all distractions and focus on the one task to get it done, because at the end of the day, if you focus your entire energy onto one task, you're going to get through it so much more quicker, and you're going to do it so much better. Like the quality of it is going to be amazing. So what I've been doing today is I got my little to-do list. I wrote down 5-hour blocks. So I've written one 1-hour block, number 2-hour block, and I set my timer on my phone. I put it on airplane mode so nothing's going to distract me, and I literally just go to town for an entire hour doing absolutely nothing else. Like I'm not allowed to do anything. So before I start the hour, I often eat something, go to the toilet, have a bit of a drink, and then bam, for a whole hour just dedicated to doing non-stop work. And if I feel like I'm getting distracted or I'm thinking about something else, I'll then get a little post-it note and I'll write the little thing that I want to remember, so that at the end of the hour I can then do that thing that I've been thinking about. So for example, I said research Australia's tan. The weirdest stuff comes through your mind when you're trying to concentrate. Then after the hour's up, I give myself a 15-minute break, and within those 15 minutes I'll either have a break where I just sit down and go on my phone on social media. I'll often leave my room so that I'm like disassociating work with pleasure and reward, or I'll get done a task that's smaller on my to-do list. So for example, in one of my 15-minute things today, I ran errands and I went to the post office, and then I ran errands and I went to wash my car, and earlier this morning I did the dishes in 15 minutes. So I'm still being productive, but I'm focusing so much more of my energy onto the one task that I should be completing for the day, and you feel really good about it. So I hope that helps. That's just what I've been doing recently, and it's just been so incredibly effective for me, considering I have to sit down for such a long period of time to study on my days off. I feel like having this kind of system in place makes it so much more enjoyable, and I can look forward to rewarding myself with 15-minute break, but also feel really great that I can sit down and be like, wow, I did 6 1-hour blocks today. That's 6 hours of consistent work without any distraction. Crazy. Anyways, I'm gonna have 1 more hour block of doing it, and then I'm gonna have dinner and chill and relax for the rest of the night. Oh yeah, look at that. Tonight's dinner is just a really simple salad. When I make salads, I like to make them as colorful as possible, so there you go. Bada bing, bada boom. Got olives, beetroot, sauerkraut, tuna, green beans, pumpkin, sweet potato, and carrot, some capsicum, zucchini, some spinach, and some coriander. And of course, my dinner entertainment tonight is the Rachel Catherine's new video. Yes, 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 yes. Also, can we just like take a second to appreciate how aesthetically pleasing this shot right here is? I could not be more happy and just like over the moon with how my apartment looks right now and how my couch is. Look at that. It's bloody beautiful. Oh my god. My best friend is officially the weirdest, most beautifulest person ever. She's gonna kill me for putting that on there, but hi Carly, how's it going? Haha, sorry, bye. Welcome back to another episode of Amy Sits in her Car by herself eating her lunch. It's a good day. I just had a meeting with my supervisor and we just like went over my ethics application. I don't know how much you guys want me to talk about my thesis. I don't want to keep talking about it if you guys don't find it interesting, so like let me know if you want me to continuously talk about it every single week. Otherwise I'll dial it back a little bit and I won't focus on it as much. But anyway, I just had a meeting with my supervisor. I'm at the stage now where I'm submitting an ethics application. For all of you guys who don't study psychology, when you're doing an experiment, especially one that involves people participants, you need to go through this process of submitting an application to this. It's basically like a committee and they go over your application, make sure that fits all the ethical considerations and stuff, but it's just a bit of a hectic process to get to that. I only got given this topic a month ago. I've had to in 1 month try and become like a specialist on this particular topic. Like on the weekend I read like 150 journal articles. I just like sat down and read 150. Like that is a lot of research in a small amount of time, and then I have to not only do that but also formulate what I'm doing and write what my methodology is and how we're going to go about my my research and how we're gonna do my study, and it's just a lot to do in a very short amount of time. But we're almost finished, which is great. It has to be submitted by the 3rd of April, and then I'll be able to like sit back a little bit for like a week waiting for that to be processed. But anyways, that's enough thesis talk. Right now I'm just gonna sit and eat my lunch, maybe read or something. I need to like get myself more awake because I'm feeling very tired right now and I have to drive an hour home, and then I'll either do homework for the rest of the day or just like other jobs. I need to edit a video, so I might do that. Yeah, we'll just see what happens. This is delicious though. Pesto pasta. Yeah. There's this place near my uni that I occasionally come to just to do a bit of grocery shopping and stuff. Has a Coles, has a Kmart, has an Aldi. You know, it's got everything you want and more in life. Next to Coles, there's this like little fruit shop, and they have the best deals. Honestly, like the produce is absolutely beautiful, and they're like so incredibly cheap, and from a university student who has to pay for their own groceries, it's like honestly winning the lottery. Today's purchases include this entire bag of bananas for $1. Yeah, $1. I'm gonna put them all in the freezer and use them for smoothies. And then I also picked up some raspberries for $2 because I've been having them in my porridge recently. And then I went to Coles next door and I was like, you know what, it's Friday afternoon. I've been really good this week in terms of like studying, being really productive, so I'm gonna treat myself, and I ended up picking a Kit Kat because I have sugar cravings. I'm a normal human being. It is 12 o'clock on a Saturday and I've already finished work for the day, which is so beautiful and exciting. I got 10% off at work today because it's Easter and stuff, so I bought a few Easter goodies. Hello. Bought one for my friend Louise, who I'm catching up with tonight, and then I also bought one for my roommate and one for myself because what's a diet, you know? Anyways, I'm gonna head home. Let's do a car jam. There's cars 100% looking at me right now, driving past. Hello, how's it going? Subscribe. Oh my god, okay, so the next song needs a bit of a backstory. So my favorite band, if you guys didn't know, is, other than the Beatles, is Codaline, and they're a band from Ireland, an Irish little band, and I absolutely love them, and I've been obsessed with them since I was like 16 years old. And they just released a new song this morning, so I don't know the lyrics, but we're gonna play it anyways and just have a good old jamming time. It's so beautiful!
Freedom, 'cause when a heart breaks, no, I don't break even. When the best part of me was what am I supposed to say when I won't talk about that you're okay? Only God himself to blame for it, I accept now. It's time to let it go out and start again.
Got you a present.
Did you? Oh.
Happy Easter.
Oh, wait, is Easter today?
No.
Oh, shit.
You're welcome.